This is MullanMath, Unit 2, Day 2. These are the first set of problems for 9.3. Again, we're still working with negative and positive integers, and we're dealing with subtraction. So one of the first things you want to do is ask yourself, and here I've pre-written my notes instead of writing them out for you. Here, I see negatives. I'm also checking my operator and its subtraction. So I know the first thing I have to do is turn this into an addition problem. So if I see minus a minus, it's a plus. So that turns into a positive 7. So I have negative 4 plus positive 7. Different signs, find the difference. The big dog here is the positive 7, so my answer will be positive. And it's the difference between 7 and 4, which is 3, so my answer is positive 3. Here I'm going to turn it into an addition sign, so minus 18 is the same as plus negative 18, and here I have 15 comes down. Different signs, find the difference. The larger of these two numbers is the 18, so my answer will be negative. And I have to find the difference between 18 and 15. And the difference between 18 and 15 is negative 3, because I have a negative over here, negative 3. Our next problem, same thing. There's some more notes on it over here. I'm going to turn this into an addition problem. This one stays the same. Negative, that's the same as plus negative 20. Signs are the same, just combine. So it is negative 30 plus 20 is the same as negative 50. Okay, and here's another problem with more negatives. Again, I'm going to check my operator and I'm subtracting. Subtracting a negative is like adding a positive. So there's positive 243, and here 156 stays the same. Remember, if you're subtracting, you don't mess with the first number. It's the second number that you can play with. So here, same sign, just combine. Let's see if I can do this in my head. I'm not going to do it in my head. 6 plus 3 is 9, 40 plus 50 is 90, and 200 plus 100 is 300. And again, these were both positive, so my answer is positive 399. Okay, let's take a look at the last problem on this page, number 33. These are a couple of things to look at. First of all, I'm working with decimals, so I have to pay attention to that. And the first thing I need to do is turn it into an addition problem. So that's the same as negative 9.01 plus negative 2.4, or 2 4/10. Same signs, just combine. So I have to do negative 9.01, and I'm combining negative 2.4, and I'm going to put a 0 here as a placeholder. Super important. Remember, you're going to line up these decimal points so you're adding things correctly. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 4 is 4, 9 plus 2 is 11. And my answer is negative. Same signs, just combine. So I have negative 11.41 for number 33. Let's take a look at number 39. Again, I've done my little notes over here. I'll talk them through here. Number 39, a couple of important things. I'm looking at fractions. And right now that looks like a pretty harmless problem. Let's take a look at this. First of all, are they family, friends, or strangers? They're not family because they're different, but they might be friends. Let's see, 12 is a multiple of 6. 6 goes into 12 2 times. So this one will stay the same, it's okay. Minus, and then 6 times 2 over 2 equals 5/12 minus 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 6 is 12. Oh no, I have a problem. This number is greater than this number. That means that I'm going to have a problem when I subtract. So I better turn it into an addition problem. 5/12 stays the same. This turns into plus, and this turns into a negative. Now, different signs, find the difference. My answer will be negative, and it'll be 10 over 12 minus 5 over 12, which is 5 over 12. And again, my negative sign comes over here, so my answer is negative 5/12. For number 56, I'm going to turn it, I have some different signs going on here, so I have to do some changing around. So negative 300 will stay the same, that'll stay the same, minus a minus is a plus, and now I have different signs, so I have to find the difference. But before that, I'm going to combine things that have like signs. So here I have positive 600 plus 200 would be positive 800. And this guy is going to come down unchanged. So now I have negative 300 plus 800. Different signs, find the difference, and the big dog wins. Here the big dog is the positive 800. So positive 800 minus 300 equals positive 500. Okay, and then the last one, here I have subtraction, and I can tell right now that I might have some problems, so I'm going to turn it into an addition problem to see where I'm at. This one will stay the same. This is the same as plus negative 435, and this stays the same. Oh, sorry, this is the same as plus negative 172. So again, I'm going to look at this and I'm going to combine things that have the same sign. So here these two have the same sign. So negative 435 plus negative 172 is 607. It's negative. So I have 572 plus negative 607. Different signs, find the difference. My answer ultimately will be negative because 607 is negative. So 607 minus 572 is, I'm going to do some little notes over here. 607, 572. The difference between those is 35. So it's negative 35 is the answer. And those are the bolded problems for day 2 in Unit 2.